So hello and welcome back, and today we have the Ford Focus MK3.5, so the MK3 facelift, and I'm gonna show you how to dismantle full front end on this car. This will take some time. I hope I can do it in one video, but if not, we make two parts. So first you should take out the wheels, and I did already started that one. And why is it's important to do that? Because you need to get to the this plastic inliner of the wing, let's call it wing. So yeah, let me take this out and then we continue. I will do it in sections because don't need to take forever this part. So once you take the wheel out, there are some few bolts that you need to unplug. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was 5, 6, 7, 8. So you need unplug those and these plastic holders as well. So there is 2 of them. So I'm gonna remove those and then we continue. So once you take all of these out and these 2 plastic, it should be fairly easy to just click it out. I forgot to mention there is a few more underneath. So as you can see, this one and this I'm gonna unscrew right now. I hope you can see. So don't want to lose any. That's basically that for this liner. I'm gonna put these parts here. So, and that's from the left side. Same goes here on the right side. So I'm gonna take them out. So it's the same thing. Some screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there should be some 8 underneath one. Yeah, so you take those out and continue on, but I will take them out, no need to record that. So moving on to the other things. So next up is, for me, maybe the best is to remove the bonnet. As you know, if you check out that video, this engine is dead. So removing the bonnet or the front hood, there is this little bit of installation here. As you can see, somebody already tried to fix that one, but okay, it is what it is. Wonder what we're gonna find more in this, but okay, it is what it is. So 4 screws and then you take it out. So I'm kinda alone, so it's gonna be hard to record that, but here I'm gonna remove it. Then we go to the headlights, front bumper and wings. So let me take these out. So after removing the hood, those are just 10. You need Torx 30 for the headlights. There are just 2 that are holding it, and with that you can take it out fairly easily. So it's not something that holds really strong. So more problematic for me, at least, is to take this one. So it's from the downside and you need to click it. It's kinda So let me just start, then I show you. So best way is to turn around, and here you can see. So with the screwdriver I don't know if you're gonna see. You just click like this. So I hope you can see. So let's see. And then you can just, after it's unplugged, you just take it out. I mean, with two hands it's kind of easier. With one hand it's kind of stronger, but yeah. So that's about for that. So that's the easy way to take out the headlight for any purpose you would need. Maybe you need to change both lamps or something like that. So yeah, same goes for the other side as well. So you unscrew them, and you want that, but this car is 2017. Look how this looks like. That's crazy for me. If you ask me, that's just crazy. So the boat looks like it's a 2001 maybe. I'm keeping the boat because the customer wants them. So let me take this out and then we continue with the rest. So after I took this out, maybe best way to go is to take out the front bumper. Maybe, yeah, front bumper would be some choice of doing. So what you have inside of here are few bolts. These are 10, and this plastic one as well. So you need to take that one, the plastic one, and I believe from upside of here you should take this out, and this one as well. This plastic over here, this Torx, believe this one as well. So because this is together with the front bumper, this plastic over here, this goes just like this, nothing over too fancy. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this holder, because after that you can take the wing out. Just need to take this one before. So let's remove some screws and then we continue with the rest. So just one heads up, these two screws that you have underneath, these are the 10s. You just need to take a little bit out and this plastic holder out, and then you can do this. So there is no need to take fully all the bolts out if you don't want. So same goes if you just want to need to replace a bumper, something like that. I hope this will help you in whatever need. So yeah, now you can see. So let me move on with the rest of the things, and then taking these screws one by one. I don't want to lose any, but still I did take out this, as you can see. So basically these are the ones that are holding everything in place. I'm not really sure, underneath there should be also a few, but we will check out. Let me see. So, but they're already missing few. So this one and those two over there. So 3. I have just 3. Should be 4, but okay. I'm gonna take those out. So stay tuned for that. So I took those out, and now we're gonna just check this. So that was holding it. Oh, it went in back. So as you can see here, it already kind of dismounted itself. Only thing that I didn't still do is this for opening the hood, and that one should be not that hard. You just need to get this one up like this. So I hope you saw. So you take this out, and then so you remove that like that. So after that you have this one, and that's about that. Front bumper should be fully loose like that. So yeah, so you can see the bumper went down fairly easy. So there's some more stuff here right now that we're gonna head on. I believe the best way, I'm gonna try to take it all together. So all together should be take out these 4 on this front, this one and these 2 over here, but these we need to take for the wing as well. So I'm gonna start with 2 wings, and then we're gonna tackle the full front. I'm gonna remove few lines here. Okay, this one is already removed, but there is always some that we need to remove. But first let's go on the wing. Should open the door for sure. Need to take this plastic out, and you can see what's holding it are three of these, so nothing over too fancy. Should take this one out as well, and there is simple reason. There is one really simple reason for that, and that one is so you can put this up, so you can take this one out. Try not to break this here, because it does tend to break. So, because yeah, it is made like that. So you just try to click it like this, and then pull it out. Should be fairly easy to do after that. But yeah, you never know what you're gonna encounter in all of that. So next up is the wing. So the best way is probably to start from this one. This is always 10. You need to remove this, I don't know what this really, it's something really interesting, but it's used to reduce the noise. There is another 10 over here. There are 2 10s down here. We're gonna take these 2 out as well, and then you finish with these 2, because then you can grab it easily in your hand. So let's do like that. So after you take all of those that I wrote before, last one is here. You take the bolt out with the fender. So there is the left wing. Same you can do on the other side. So again, you take this out. Look at this one got back, but never mind. Some more. Let's see. Again, these 2 10s. This one inside, this one, these 2 over here, and you finish off with this. Once again, maybe best way to take this screw before, so you can take this one, because it will hold the fender together. So this plastic is for the water, so take this one before. So once you took out all the screws and this plastic, you should always take this plastic out. This is the last one, and the fender goes out, as you can see. So we have the fender over here. So left, right, front bumper, hood, lights, and now we can do the big part of all of this. I believe you should take always this bottle for the windshield and the computer from the PC. I mean the box from the computer. So these are one over here, two, and there should be one more. I believe there's three, or am I crazy? There should be three. So one, two, yeah, three. So those three. I'm gonna take that out, and I'm gonna take this out. So this one has this one screw over here and one over here. Those two, and that's that, I believe. Yeah, two screws just. So this one, it might be 10. Yeah, it is 10. So that's 10 and another 10. So these two 10s, and after that what's left are the water thingies. So yeah, that's about that. For this one, on other side is, I believe, 6 or 7 for the computer. Not really, maybe 7. Let's see, or 8. So you can unscrew it with 8. 1, 2, and the third one is up over here, and computer is out. So that's about that. Unplug the connectors that you can unplug. Always good thing to do. This one is always a little bit harder, but we'll try to do it. So this one, it's always kind of tricky. So yeah, that's one. And yeah, now I'm gonna unscrew this one, these 4, and that's that, I believe, for this. After that it can be only some watering or electricity, so stay tuned for that. So took out these 4. So 1, 2, 3, and the 4 is back. You need to take this out as well. Should always take this out because it's gonna be in the way. So here, and that's that. So basically, if I did unscrew everything, it should be finished off. But seems like there is always something that's holding it together. So let's try to take that out. So some electricity, and from the climate there is 2 screws over here that you need to take out. This one is a holder, this one is just the screw, and that's about that for the full wing front. So yeah, I hope this will help you. And that's basically the full front end of the MK3.5, so facelift model. Everything that you need to take out. So if you have any other questions or some need, be free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and I hope I can see you next one. So till next one, see ya.